What is up, guys? Sonduren Fanarredha. Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly fix the scratches on your car in just under 5 minutes. Now, if you've been following the channel, you know this is my 2009 Lexus IS250. It has over 325,000 kilometers, and we're doing a full project to completely restore the paint. That includes a compounding, polishing, and we're gonna be putting a ceramic or graphene coating on the car. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Over 25,000 subscribers to go ahead and follow us on this journey. But I know many of you have asked questions, how do I just properly fix a scratch on my car? You know, sometimes things happen. You may be at the GO train station, you may be going shopping, and you come back and you find a deep scratch on your car. And you know, it's a terrible feeling. When I go out, I try to park far away, but it's inevitable. Honestly, it is inevitable. These times are gonna come and you're gonna see this scratch and you're gonna be kind of freaking out. You're gonna be like, what can I do to actually fix this? You may not have all the experience in the world in doing this. Well, that's great because I have 10 years of experience doing this. I'm gonna show you honestly, what's the fastest, easiest way to go ahead and chop that off and completely remove that scratch from your paint. I'm gonna be showing you all the products you need to go ahead and do this really easy and effectively, and I'm gonna make sure I link it all in the description box down below. But I have some of these products here. Number one is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro. This is their one and done compound. This is their newest product that just came out, so big shout out to Turtle Wax for sending this over to me. This is supposedly gonna go ahead and give you a full, beautiful last step polish finish with the compounding ability that removes deep scratches. So I'm really interested in trying this product out. It's my first time I'm gonna be using this product to see if it can go ahead and take out this one large scratch here on this Lexus IS250, and there's another one we're gonna be testing it with as well. So this is the one and done compound. What also you're gonna have is you're gonna have a 3-inch Lake Country cutting pad. This is an orange pad specifically for compounding. I'm gonna be linking these all in the description box down below. You can use other compounding pads as well. I'm just showing you this one. This is one of my favorites, the Lake Country pad. And then my trusty Porter Cable dual action polisher. This is, you know, this started detailing for hobbyists or automotive enthusiasts. They made it really cheap, accessible to go ahead and polish your car without having to worry about burning the clear coat or any of that stuff, you know, with some precautions that you're gonna take, which I'm gonna show you about. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on this, and you're gonna see how easy it is to actually fix the scratch on your car in just under 5 minutes. So this is a pretty bad scratch. Like if I saw this on my car, I'd probably be freaking out about now, but you don't have to freak out anymore. It's really this simple. Number one, you're gonna go ahead and make sure you completely clean the area. In this case, if you wanna wash the car, I just washed this car. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the card above, how to properly wash your car without putting any swirls or scratches onto it. So this car is washed, it's completely clean. That's an important part about this. The step number one is clean the surface. The next thing we're gonna do is we're simply gonna take our pad, we're gonna go ahead, line it up with this. And now we have our 3-inch compounding pad right on our Porter Cable. And I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of the compound from Turtle Wax, the one and done compound. I'm gonna open this up, and you're not gonna put too much on this. I'm gonna show you here. You're literally gonna put, let me shake it. Number one, it's always good to shake these things because they all get stuck somewhere. You're gonna shake it, you're gonna put a drop here, maybe like these drops. That's it. 5 drops in total. That's all you need. That's all you need to get started, okay? You're gonna come on the scratch. Now, depending on the depth of the scratch, you know, it may take longer for you to actually see it go off, but what I'm gonna show you now is I'm gonna go ahead and start polishing it. I'm gonna rub the pad here like this. We're gonna spread the compound, you know, around the area. We wanna get more than just the area that we're looking to actually fix. We're gonna start, and there's a whole bunch of settings. We're gonna start at setting 5. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a bunch of passes in a horizontal and vertical fashion, about 5 or 6 passes. Once that's done, you're gonna start seeing the scratch start fading away. And then on the last 3 passes, I'm gonna up the speed to 6. Now, watch how much pressure I do this, watch how fast I'm doing this. This is important for you to know. So a few notes. Do you see how like quickly I was going, right? It was not too quick. It was at a steady pace. I was doing overlapping motions across. I was going horizontally and I was going vertically, up and down, just like that. So let's go ahead and buff it off. Let's see the results. buff off the entire area here. And look at that. Wow. I hope you guys can see that. This is a really remarkable fix right here. Look at that. So this is pretty incredible. The fact that it removed that scratch, and that was a pretty deep scratch. It was deep enough that it's actually indented slightly. I could see it only in the weirdest lighting angles, but you can probably see in this video, I haven't seen it yet, in 4K. You tell me what you think. Here's another scratch here, and there's like, I guess, another scratch from somebody's dent. Again, you know, people swinging doors and stuff right here. And this one and done compound from Turtle Wax, the hybrid ceramic or the Hybrid Solutions Pro. So far, so good. I'm gonna leave my judgment for this for the full paint correction I'm gonna be doing with this, because I wanna do a one-step compound polish with this product. So make sure you subscribe again to see this in action for the entire car, because believe me, this car is covered in other swirls and scratches. These are just some of the major ones. For those that wanna just fix the, you know, the major stuff that's happening on their car. So let's go ahead and do this again. Once again, I'm gonna put not too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, one in the center. That's it. That's really all you need. One of these bottles will last you for a lifetime, basically. So let's go ahead. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put the compound solution over the area. In this case, we have a larger area that we wanna cover. I'm gonna start with setting 5. I'm gonna do about 3 to 4 passes on setting 5, and then we're gonna amp it up to setting 6, do another 3 passes, and we should be good to go. Let's see how it does. I love doing this. Let's see the results. By the way, I have to say so far, no dusting from this compound. Most compounds I use dust cause a lot of, like, you basically have to clean the car again. There's no dusting here with this compound, which is huge compared to the Meguiar's Ultimate compound. I love that compound. I've used it for lots of other videos in the past, but you know, Turtle Wax, hats off so far. Looks incredible. Let's go ahead, wipe this. Let's take a look. Can you see it from this angle? You know, you're in 4K, probably better eyesight than my own eyes. I can only see it. And again, the scratch is actually removed. That's the thing. So number one, in terms of the scratch itself, it's completely gone. But in terms of some of these dings, I guess these are doors that are slamming into the car, it's making the slightest dent. And the only reason why you can see it is because of the minor difference in the reflection of the light versus the rest of the paint. But guys, that's remarkable. It's basically gone. I'm gonna give you some different angles so you can check it out. But if I am standing, like if I'm not purposely trying to look for it and look for the refraction of light, I can't see it. The scratch is basically gone. So guys, that's how you fix the scratches on your car in just under 5 minutes. I hope this video was helpful. If you found that it was, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. We're over 25,000 subscribers. And if you like anything to do with car detailing, the Lexus IS250, the Audi R8, or the Ducati, make sure you subscribe to go ahead and see that. But these results speak for themselves. Absolutely amazing. So far, the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro, the one and done compound, very impressive. I'm gonna be going ahead and doing a lot more work with this compound and on this car coming up in the videos above. Plus, also the Ducati S2R800 needs a full compound polish and ceramic. So we have really 2 big projects on there. And then obviously the Audi R8 is still in good condition. It's still got its ceramic coating, so nothing to do on that front. So really hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.